Houston, Texas, is known for its hot and humid climate, which can make maintaining a comfortable and fresh indoor environment a challenge. The combination of high temperatures and humidity can lead to stuffy rooms, mold growth, and poor air circulation. Proper ventilation is key to combating these issues, and one often overlooked solution is installing awning windows. These versatile windows can provide significant improvements in airflow and ventilation, making them an ideal choice for Houston homeowners. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows the window to remain open during rain or wind, providing consistent ventilation without letting the elements inside. Whether installed in kitchens, bathrooms, or living rooms, awning windows offer a stylish and practical solution for enhancing airflow. Benefits of awning windows in Houston's humid climate: maximized airflow and cross ventilation. One of the most significant advantages of awning windows is their ability to maximize airflow. The unique hinge placement allows these windows to open outward, enabling a more efficient flow of air into the home. In Houston's humid climate, where stagnant air can make the indoors feel suffocating, awning windows can help alleviate this issue by promoting natural ventilation. When combined with other windows positioned across the room or in different parts of the house, awning windows can create a cross-ventilation system that pushes hot, humid air out while drawing cooler, fresher air in. This constant circulation helps maintain a more comfortable indoor environment, reducing the reliance on air conditioning and potentially lowering energy bills. Rainproof design for consistent ventilation. One of the unique features of awning windows is their rain-resistant design. When open, the window acts as a shield, preventing rain from entering the home while still allowing fresh air to flow in. In a city like Houston, where afternoon thunderstorms are common, this feature is particularly valuable. Homeowners can leave their awning windows open even during a light rain, ensuring that the house remains ventilated without the risk of water damage. Energy efficiency. Awning windows are not just about ventilation, they can also contribute to energy efficiency. In Houston, where air conditioning is used for much of the year, keeping the home cool while maintaining healthy airflow is crucial. Awning windows help achieve this by promoting natural ventilation, which can reduce the need for air conditioning during cooler parts of the day, especially in the mornings and evenings. Less reliance on AC can lead to savings on energy bills, making awning windows an eco-friendly choice for Houston homeowners. Enhanced privacy and security. While ventilation is a primary benefit, awning windows also offer added privacy and security. Since awning windows open outward from the bottom, they can be left open even when you're away from home without compromising your privacy. The unique design makes it more difficult for intruders to access the window, offering an added layer of security. Additionally, you can enjoy fresh air without worrying about passers-by peering inside, making them ideal for ground-level rooms or areas where privacy is important. Prevention of mold and mildew growth. Houston's high humidity can create the perfect environment for mold and mildew to thrive. Awning windows can help prevent this by improving airflow, which keeps moisture levels in check. By ensuring consistent ventilation, awning windows reduce the chances of excess humidity accumulating in areas like bathrooms, kitchens, or basements, where mold is often a problem. Regular airflow helps keep the indoor air quality fresh and reduces the risk of mold-related health issues. Where to install awning windows in your Houston home? Awning windows are versatile and can be installed in various locations throughout your home. They are particularly effective in areas where natural airflow is needed most, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms. In kitchens, where cooking can increase humidity levels, awning windows help vent out steam and odors. In bathrooms, they can keep the air fresh and prevent moisture buildup that leads to mold. Installing them in higher places, like above counters or sinks, provides ventilation without sacrificing privacy. Conclusion: for homeowners in Houston looking to improve indoor air quality and comfort, awning windows offer a practical solution to managing humidity and enhancing ventilation. Their ability to promote airflow while keeping rain out, reduce energy consumption, and protect against mold growth makes them an ideal choice for the city's climate. If you're looking to upgrade your home's ventilation system, consider the many benefits of awning windows. They might just be the solution you've been searching for.